So what's up YouTube? I'm gonna try something different here. You're now watching at a Enduro Shorts series, Volume 2. And of course it's also part of my Dual Sport Adventures series. My hashtag adventure rides. And this was not too long ago, just before the winter. I was riding around, just looking for some new dirt roads in the neighborhood. Well, actually not in the neighborhood, but not too far away from my house at least. And you see me riding around here. And very nice environment, very nice area, as you can see. Here I just passed a truck, just unloading some stuff for this bed and breakfast there, but I don't know what exactly. And I saw that this road was ending. It had no, you couldn't go through. You have to stop. But I saw a path on the map, which I potentially could have taken. But very nice area as well. This is a sort of nature park kind of. You can do a lot of hiking here, but vehicles are basically not allowed. And as you can see right now, I'm looking at this path, which was on the map. And there's a little sign there saying that it's basically a national area. De Mettebroekweg. You see all these little stickers on the pole there. Those are all to walk areas and paths to walk. So I'm looking at the map here. I made a little route before I went to this ride, and yeah, you know, sometimes you want to explore something new and you find it on Google Maps, and then you will check it out in real life, basically. And this is a path which basically ends, and like I said, the dirt road ends as well. It has no go through at the end. So, but I still want to check it out. And basically it was kind of wet, and as you can see here, it's kind of wet, and I'm taking this corner, and then bam, it's real slippery stuff. The black stuff, the black top stuff is basically clay. It is part of the Netherlands, and yeah, it was like ice. Both tires just slipped away. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys this little short part of this beautiful area, and my crash, of course.
Very good.
The sun was setting already, and after this slip I basically went home. I was riding around for an hour or so already, so didn't want any more slips. the shadow part there is very wet still, so, and it basically surprised me. But look at the area. It's quite nice here. The sun setting in. Nice. Well, anyways, thanks for watching my crash. See you guys later.